In this video, we're going to learn how to use the rate stretch tool, which means changing a clip's duration by automatically increasing or decreasing its speed. This tool is useful when you want a clip to fit into a specific time gap without cutting any part of it. Instead of trimming content, Premiere Pro adjusts the playback speed to match the new duration. Let's start. Go to the toolbar near the timeline and select the rate stretch tool. You can also press the R key on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Now move your cursor to the edge of a clip. Click and drag the edge inward to shorten the clip. As you do this, you'll notice the clip becomes shorter on the timeline and its playback speed increases automatically. If you drag the edge outward, the clip becomes longer. And Premiere Pro slows it down to fill that extended duration. So remember, shorter duration means faster playback, longer duration means slower playback. This method directly adjusts speed without opening the speed/duration window, making it very quick for timing adjustments. Once you're done, press the V key to switch back to the selection tool so you don't accidentally stretch other clips. And that's it. You now know how to use the rate stretch tool effectively in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.